among all the creatures that God created, among all the creatures that God created, man is the most foolish. Man is the most stupid to shave their beard. All the other creatures keep their beard, and you can distinguish between the male and the female. Man is the most stupid and the most foolish because you're shaving your beard. If you're shaving your beard, you are a fool. You are a fool if you're shaving your beard. You're supposed to have a beard as a man because your God gave you a beard for a reason. Our God gave us a law in Leviticus 19:27. Do not shave your beard. We're not supposed to shave our beard. A man is supposed to have a beard. A man is supposed to have a beard. You're not supposed to shave your beard. According to 2 Samuel chapter 10, it was a shameful thing for a man to shave. It was a shameful thing for a man to shave his beard. If you read 2 Samuel chapter 10, you will see what happened there with David's men. When the beard and the hair or the beard of David's men were shaved off, these men were ashamed, and they did not go back to Jerusalem because they were ashamed. They waited in Jericho for their hair to grow back, for their beard to grow back. We're not supposed to shave your beard. You are not supposed to be shaving your beard. You're not supposed to have a bald head. You're supposed to grow your beard as a man, just like other creatures that the Most High created. Men are the most stupid and the most foolish of all the creatures to choose to shave their beard. Men are the most stupid. If you're shaving your beard, you are a fool. You are an idiot. You are a foolish person because your God gave you a beard for a reason. That is one of the things that distinguishes you between a woman, between male and female. Women don't have beard normally. A man is supposed to have a beard. Your God gave you a beard for a reason, but you are a fool and you've ignored the laws of your God. We're commanded to have our beard. A man is supposed to have a beard. A man is supposed to have a beard. I know you're not going to listen. I know you will continue to shave your beard. I know you're going to ignore the laws of your God. I'm simply here to remind you that as a man, you're supposed to grow your beard. You're supposed to have a beard. It's a sin for you to shave your beard. You're not supposed to shave your beard as a man. If you claim to be a man, you're supposed to have a beard. Just like even other creatures that the Most High God created. They all have their beard. They don't shave their beard, but you shave your beard because you refuse to keep the laws of your God. You ignore the laws that the Most High God gave you, and you shave your beard because you want to look like the Gentiles. You're following the Gentiles, you're looking at the Gentiles, and you're shaving your beard, trying to be like the Gentiles. Even though your God told you in Jeremiah chapter 10 verse 2, do not learn the ways of the Gentiles. The Gentiles, as you can see on the picture, the Gentiles are the ones that shave their beard. The Gentiles normally don't know God. The Gentiles are hidden. They don't know God. They are the ones that shave their beard. But today, you join them in shaving your beard. You don't know who you are. You don't know you're a Hebrew Israelite. You've lost your heritage. You claim that you are black. You claim that you're African. You claim that you're Jamaican. We claim all these things. You claim that you're American. You claim all these things because you've lost your heritage. According to Jeremiah chapter 17 verse 4, the Hebrews will lose their heritage and they will serve their enemy in a land that they did not know. Today you're living in the land of your enemy. Today you're serving your enemy. You don't know who you are. You say you're black. You say you're African. You claim all these nonsense things, that heritage that you're claiming, because you've lost your heritage. You're not black. You're a Hebrew Israelite. And as a Hebrew man, you're supposed to have your beard. You're supposed to stop following the Gentiles and grow your beard because the Most High God gave you a law. Your God gave you a law that said that you must have your beard. You're supposed to have a beard. That's why He gave it to you for a reason. If you shave it off, you're ignoring your God. You're not supposed to shave off your beard. A man is supposed to have a beard. If you cannot grow a beard, that's fine. If you are a man and you're not able to grow your beard, that's okay, because it's out of your control. Like me, I grow my beard right here and I keep my beard. As you can see here, I grow my beard and I have it. But over here, I cannot grow a beard. This is natural. My beard refused to come out right here. So there's nothing I can do about that. But up here where it can come out, I have it. Right here where it can come out, I have it. Same thing for you. A man is supposed to have a beard. We are supposed to have a beard. God gave us beard for a reason. There's a reason why He gave it to us. Man is the only one who is stupid and foolish enough to shave his beard, even other creatures have their beard. If you shave your beard, you are displaying that you have homosexual tendencies. If you shave your beard, you're trying to look like a woman. That means that you have a homosexual spirit. If any man that shaves his beard has a homosexual spirit. If you shave your beard, you are indicating to us that you like men and you would like to have sex with men. Yeah, that's true. That's what you're displaying. Why would you shave your beard? Why would you shave part of your manhood? Why would you want to look like a woman? If you shave your beard, you have a homosexual tendencies. You are weak, you are pathetic, you are rebellious, you don't give a damn about the law of your God, and on the judgment day, you will regret. You will regret shaving your beard on the judgment day. You are going to regret it because God clearly gave you a law that says you must have your beard. He gave you your beard for a reason. You're supposed to have your beard. You're not supposed to shave your beard. You're supposed to have a beard as a man. Stop trying to look like the Gentiles. Stop trying to look like your enemies. You're supposed to have a beard as a man. Every man is supposed to have a beard. If you cannot grow a beard, that's fine. But if you can grow a beard, you are not supposed to be shaving your beard. Only weak men, only homosexual men, men who have homosexual tendencies, men that want to look like women, they are the ones that will shave their beard. That is a pathetic thing. You're supposed to grow your beard as a man. Grow your beard, because on the judgment day, God will condemn you. You are going to be rejected. You're going to be condemned along with the heathen because you're shaving your beard. You're supposed to have a beard as a man. You're supposed to not have a bald hair. You're supposed to have a hair in your hair, and you're supposed to grow your beard and look like a man. It was a shameful thing for a man to shave. A man is not supposed to shave because God gave us a law, Leviticus 19:27, that we are supposed to have hair. We're supposed to have our beard. A man is not allowed to shave. You grow your beard and stop shaving your beard. When you shave your beard, you're violating the laws of God. And Christ told us that the only ones who will be allowed into the coming kingdom are the ones that kept the law. Revelation 22:14. Even Christ himself had a beard. Paul the apostle had a beard. When you shave your beard, you're disobeying Christ, because Christ told you in Matthew 23 verse 1 to 3. Matthew 23 verse 1 to 3. Christ told you to keep all the laws of Moses. Christ told you to keep all the laws of Moses in Matthew 23 verse 1 to 3. And Paul told you in Romans 2:13 that those who will be accepted on the judgment day are those that kept the laws of God. And the laws of God said you're supposed to grow your beard. You're supposed to have a beard. Leviticus 19:27.